Even before anger in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir could subside, an outrage is growing in Gilgit-Baltistan region, a part of Ladakh which is under illegal occupation of Pakistan. Gilgit-Baltistan, mostly a mountainous region with an area of over 72,971 square kilometers, was illegally occupied by Pakistan through an invasion in 1947. The people of Gilgit-Baltistan, who have been suffering oppression and suppression for the last 76 years, are now up in arms against a recent decision of the Pakistani regime to hand over 44 prime tourism sites to a newly formed company linked to the all-powerful army. It seems the company was formed only for this purpose. The company, called Green Tourism Limited, was registered by the army personnel on 26 January this year, and just 3 months later it was given the tourist spots for lease of 30 to 40 years for at less than half the price. The locals say it is a project of the Pakistani military to exploit the tourism potential for themselves while keeping the region poor and backward. The locals fear that the leasing of the 44 important tourism sites would deprive them of work usually associated with tourism. Leaders of Majlis-e-Wahdatul Muslimin, or MWM, a religious political party of Gilgit-Baltistan, and some other political and social civil society parties have announced strong opposition to the move.
इन पहाड़ों को पाकिस्तानी जर्नलों और चीनी कारोबारियों ने मिलकर बांट लिया है और इनके बाप के ये पहाड़ नहीं है, इनके बाप के ये पहाड़ नहीं है.
The head of MWM Gilgit-Baltistan, Aga Ali Rizvi, has termed the move as unlawful and unconstitutional. While highlighting the plight of the region, Rizvi emphasized that people of Gilgit-Baltistan are fiercely dedicated to safeguarding their land. Another leader of Gilgit-Baltistan, Baba Jan, spoke about plans to resist the Pakistani government's move on the streets and asserted that the people of the region are not afraid of police cases and jail.
दिमाग से हम पीछे हटने वाले नहीं, जेलों से हम पीछे हटने वाले नहीं. अभी फैसले सड़कों पर होंगे, इसलिए आप अपनी गलती दर गलती, बंगाल वाली गलती, बलोचिस्तान में लोगों को डंप करने वाली गलती मत करें.
Meanwhile, protests by some people from Gilgit-Baltistan in Pakistan national capital Islamabad was thwarted by the police, which arrested the protesters. While this issue is brewing into a confrontation, Pakistanis have begun targeting and thrashing the students of Gilgit-Baltistan in cities like Lahore and Islamabad. Now we will have to see what course the issue takes in the coming days. But whatever happens, we will bring you the updates. For this, please subscribe this channel and please like and share this program. Thank you.